Hi, my name is Montina Portis, and in this video, we're going to talk about how lawyers and law firms can manage their Facebook pages. So in the last video, I answered the question, should lawyers and law firms have Facebook pages, and actually outlined why it was important. So make sure that you go back and watch that video. Now in this video, we are going to talk about how you can manage the Facebook page. Now ideally, you should have an agency managing this for you. If you're a solo or small law firm, you need to make sure that you are doing what you're great at, which is law. You need to manage your cases and allow someone else to manage your marketing. But if you're doing it yourself, or you want an idea of how to have someone manage it, I'm going to give you some ideas right here. Now, I like to reference one of my favorite Facebook pages online from an attorney that's getting it right. It's an immigration lawyer, and his name is Jacob J. Sapoknik, and his page is facebook.com/myimmigration-lawyer. He has 118,000 likes on his page at the time of this video. Probably gonna gain so many more from these videos I'm doing about his page because he's rocking it out online. He has a strategy and he's dominating. So let's talk about Facebook. So right here, I guess this marker doesn't want to work. No problem, I have another one here. So let's talk about Facebook. So when we're talking about your Facebook strategy, okay, it's sort of like your website, okay, very, very similar. This is the concrete one we're going to use just for Facebook. Now I'll tell you, Facebook is only part of the strategy. You cannot win online if you're not using everything together as a concert. Your pay-per-click marketing, your blog, your article, your press releases, everything has to work together with your videos and such. But for this video, we're talking only about managing your Facebook page. Now, at a very minimum, you want to post at least one time per day, okay? Now, I worked with the top influencer from Forbes online, and that was Sandy Krakowski, for years. And she'll say to post every single hour. Now I've found that for law pages it's different, and I'll tell you, social media is different for every single vertical. There's nothing great about someone wanting to come over and, you know, like a DUI attorney or bankruptcy attorney or tax attorney, and people tend to be more private in that way versus more open if they are vegetarians, or if they like green smoothies, or if they like cats or dogs. So keep that in mind as you're building your page. You want to post at a minimum one time per day. Now there are other industries where you can post 3 times per week, but we found that 1 time per day minimum works very well. Now as you're managing that page, you want to at least post a quote, okay? And this could be a morning quote. You want to post a photo. This could be an inspirational photo. You want to make sure that you're posting at least a video. This can be a video that you've recorded that talks about your practice area, that positions you as the expert and the authority. So you want to make sure that you're posting videos on your page. Every so often you want to post a note. Now in the past, I've seen people take the blog off, or a post off their website, like the blog post, and post it on a note on Facebook. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that this is a very original note, and I'd say it's probably at least, I'd say 280 characters and more, so that's 2 tweets worth, right? 140 characters or more. Now you can also on your Facebook page post information that is newsworthy, okay? There was a celebrity that was filing bankruptcy, or very recently when I'm recording this video, there's a site that I think it's called Ashley Madison, where there were spouses there looking for an affair, and I've seen a few family law attorneys posting the links on their pages. But anything that's newsworthy you can post. Now, and then also you want to post links to your website or landing pages, okay? So this is website links. You want to post even your blog articles, okay? Blog, post from your, so I say blog articles. You want to also post anything that is press-worthy for your firm, press releases. Okay, so do you get the idea? You want to use Facebook as another place to highlight what you're doing online. It needs to be informative, educational, relevant, and authoritative. Now here's where I see a lot of people make mistakes. You want to just keep posting content, and you post a lot of links that are not links to your website, your content, your blog, your opt-in offer, that free report that you have on your site, or your free guide, or your books. Don't do a lot of this. this is where I see a lot of agencies that post. We even had an agency that was posting for us because I have those that are in-house, but we had to outsource some work, and I found immediately that that didn't work for us and we had to bring it all in-house. We don't want to continue to make others the authoritative source. We want to be the authoritative source. So keep that in mind. You want to share content that is newsworthy, but it still positions you as the expert. You also want to position your videos. So you want to post your YouTube, but I prefer the raw video. So when it comes to video, again, you get the idea. So at least one time per day, you can have your social media manager, your agency, or if it's just you as a solo, these are the things that you want to post. So you want to take some time and think through these things. We have some success with some of our attorneys posting up pieces of their bios. Again, lots of great ideas, but at a minimum, one time per day, you want to make sure that you're posting. And that's the very simple way to manage your page. But one other thing I want to also point out, I'm going to use a different marker, is you can use a service like Hootsuite to post, Postcron, and you can also use a site like Buffer. Okay, these are just different ways that you can post online, or you can just schedule the post directly through Facebook's posting system. They have right there where you can schedule the post. So once again, my name is Montina Portis with Creative Internet Authority, and we're a full-service marketing agency specializing in legal marketing for lawyers and law firms. This is our tip about Facebook, and in the next video, I have it listed here, we're going to talk about how you can use Facebook as a reputation marketing tool. So I look forward to serving you, and if you do not have a copy of our book yet, How to Market Your Law Firm Online, be sure that you request it so we can get it into your hands today. We look forward to serving you.